So hey everyone, welcome back to the quick and very interesting tutorial. Where in this quick tutorial, I want to show you how you can find out the ports that are open on your computer. Now, in order to do it, all you need to do is to just simply open any of the browser you have, and here, all you need to do is to just simply search for this website with that start with grc.com/shield sub. Just simply go to this URL and make sure to type it wrong. If I pronounce it wrong, just be very careful with the URL. Once you go over there, here you're gonna see it says welcome to the Shield CUP. Now here all you need to do is just simply click on this option of proceed, and it will take some time and generate a report for you that you can check. Here you can see let's just start a random GRC instant UNP test, and now it started the test for me, and very quickly it will generate the results for me and check if my connection is safe or not, or any port have been left open or not. Alright, so that's it for this tutorial. I hope this video will be helpful for you. Make sure to hit the like button and subscribe button for more such helpful and interesting tutorials. See you in the next one. Take care.